I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Wattpad, where you read or manage stories. Sign in and use a modern browser like Chrome or Firefox so settings behave predictably. Once done, make sure the page is fully loaded. Clear cache or reload if needed. You're doing this now because the dark theme options depend on the account state and page version, so confirm you're logged in and on the main reading or profile screen before moving to the next step. Now go to your profile icon in the top right corner and open Settings. On the reading screen, you may also find a Display or Theme tab. You'll see theme choices. Pick Dark or set it to follow your system theme. Click Save or Apply. If there's a reader-specific toggle, enable that too so both Site Chrome and Story pages use dark styling. This ensures reduced glare while reading and consistent appearance across pages. Finish by reloading Wattpad to make sure dark mode appears across the site and in story pages. If parts still look light, you may have a browser extension overriding styles. Disable extensions or test in incognito to isolate the issue. Make sure your browser and Wattpad app are updated. If problems persist, log out and back in or contact Wattpad support. This troubleshooting path usually fixes common conflicts and gets your laptop reading experience into true dark mode quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.